love camping, you love grilling, but you hate transporting. There's nothing on the market worth a damn that will fit in a backpack, won't weigh you down, and cook some mean f***ing steak. Introducing Caveman, the Featherweight portable grill that folds completely flat. Throw out that George Foreman, there's a new sheriff in town. Caveman is 100% portable and crazy lightweight. There's not a single portable grill this size that weighs in under 17 pounds. Caveman weighs in at just 6 pounds, less than half of any competitor. If you're a serious backpacker, we're also introducing a less than 2-pound version. You might be wondering, what makes Caveman the ultimate portable grill for camping and tailgating? Well, it folds completely flat. I mean, completely flat. Caveman folds down to just a few flat pieces of metal and stores right into the sleek carrying case. Gone are the days of lugging around an awkwardly shaped, heavy camping grill. It's nonsense. Welcome to the 21st century. Caveman was designed with grilling in mind above all else. Sure, a super lightweight portable camping grill is great, but it's useless if it doesn't grill like Sylvie from Netflix's trending series American Barbecue Showdown. Oh, sorry, was I bragging? The point is, we know barbecue. We've designed Caveman for extreme flexibility to accommodate everyone, from someone who just wants their food hot to the most serious pitmaster. You can cook on Caveman in numerous ways, whether that's utilizing the standard grill grate, the flat top griddle, or even the well thought out skewer slots. This way, you can cook eggs and bacon on the griddle when you wake up, some bangin' chicken and veggie skewers for lunch, and for dinner, we're having burgers. All without ever leaving your tent. Once the coals are removed from the grill, each panel will cool to the touch in under 5 minutes. What other grill can do that? You can grill with any kind of fuel you'd like. Charcoal, pellets, wood chips, sticks found on the ground, gasoline. No. Do not use gasoline. That was just a joke. Please, don't use gasoline. The legs of Caveman never get hot, so you don't have to worry about burning the back of your truck while tailgating. Caveman is also made of FDA-approved materials. One thing a lot of people don't know is that you may be eating on something that's not being regulated, especially in portable and camping grills. Nobody bothers to make sure they're eating on a safe cooking surface. It's an unfortunate part of this industry, but we're looking to be the change to safer grilling. A surefire way to tell you might not want to eat off the grill is if it's rusting. Do you want to eat rust? Caveman won't rust. That's unacceptable. We've dedicated some serious time engineering Caveman. Creating such a lightweight grill that has so much functionality seemed impossible. We were determined to make sure it's foldable, lays completely flat, and is extremely lightweight and durable at the same time. But there was something awesome about creating Caveman. Testing. Boy, have we been eating good. We put this thing through the ringer, getting it to over 1,000 degrees, dropping it, throwing it while hot, cooking anything and everything on it, dousing the whole thing in lighter fluid, and trying to burn it to the ground. But we've created a portable grill that's virtually indestructible, which is what you need. In fact, if you've been living like a caveman, you may not know us very well. Let me take a second to introduce us. Our commitment to better products is unparalleled, specifically in the grilling and outdoor space. Even more so, we're crazy committed to Indiegogo and our backers. No product comes without challenge, but we're more prepared than ever. In order to make Caveman a reality, we need to raise at least $5,000. In the past, we've raised more for these projects, but we're so sure about Caveman that we're putting up the rest of the money ourselves. So we set this campaign at only $5,000. Please help us so we don't deplete our entire life savings. We launched our award-winning grill rescue on Kickstarter and raised over $211,000, followed by 2 more Kickstarter projects raising around $100,000 each. We love Indiegogo and its community, so it only made sense to bring Caveman here. I'm sure you already know the massive discounts that come with crowdfunding, but in case you don't, I'll outline ours specifically. We launched our first project, Grill Rescue, on Kickstarter at $19. Now, Grill Rescue retails at $60. Don't wait for Caveman to hit the shelves to buy one. You'll never get a better price than what you see here on Indiegogo. I want to sincerely thank you for watching this video all the way through. Your support means so much to us. Please help us by backing this project and getting us to the finish line. Next time you go camping, do it with Caveman.
We would like to introduce you to a real breakthrough in outdoor food preparation, including grilling, barbecue, and much, much more. Take a chance to meet the Burr Grill. well, whatever the conditions are. Now, you have an opportunity to make all food and cuisine with just one portable appliance. It's a revolutionary, innovative breakthrough in outdoor food preparation. It's a heavy-duty cooking machine running efficiently on wood. It's designed to be used for outdoor activities. All my friends and family enjoy it. Technical specification. We are a family company supported by professionals. Our team have created the most revolutionary and innovative breakthrough in outdoor food making. The whole design, construction, optimization, tests took us almost 3 years, and it's handmade mostly. We need to bust our production process, and we have plenty of new ideas to implement as well. Our goal was to create a portable, multifunctional, easy to use and more practical outdoor device. It is the best and most powerful home appliance ever invented. My personal favorite is to take my family and friends into the great outdoors and make these the best days of our lives. Take Berg Grill with you. It will be the best companion ever. There is no other single device to provide such features. Key objectives: portable and heavy-duty construction. Easy to use, no tools required. A safe and heavy-duty construction. Whether you enjoy the outdoors, happy campers, or you are just an old-fashioned food lover, Berg Grill will enrich your life. Precise temperature control. So, just take a tasty trip with Berg Grill. With plenty of opportunities, the use of Berg Grill is only limited by your own imagination. Designed and quality approved by pro chefs, it has totally changed my life. No gas, no briquette required. Our goal is to provide the Berg Grill to anyone who shares the similar values as we do. We truly enjoy freedom, nature, spending great unforgettable time with family and friends, grilling, making food outdoor in any conditions. We hope that you will share this content and link with your family and friends. Thank you, and please support us.
My name is Sharif, and I'm the founder of Una Grill, an elegant, smart, and portable tabletop charcoal grill. The story of Una started when my dad decided to improvise a tabletop grill. He ended up scorching the tabletop. He decided to make a solution that works, and his first prototypes became my inspiration to create Una Grill. So we sought the help of the best professionals we could find.
1.5 years ago, we were contacted by Sharif and his dad, and they had a really good idea for a new barbecue. They sort of came around to ask us how we could help them out. So pretty much straight away, we started sort of doing the conceptual design process. We started thinking about ideas and coming up with different opportunities and looking at the user experience and finding out how we could improve it. So we looked into trying to create a simple, clean product that was understandable by everybody, that could go in the dishwasher, and also that you could carry with you to the park or to the beach or out and about. More of a lifestyle product than a heavy sort of garden object. Basically what we decided to do was to try and tackle one of the main problems of barbecues, which is that the ground gets too hot, is that we tried to use the lid as the stand for the barbecue. And that raises the barbecue off the ground and basically means that the tabletop or the grass or whatever doesn't get too hot. And then also we decided to put in this little clever feature where you can turn the top grill over, and that's got some dedicated skewer locations where you can actually then put some little skewers on the top, grilling vegetables or meat or whatever you fancy really. I'm immensely proud of this product. It's really, really good. I think we worked really hard for the last 18 months coming up with something that we're all proud of here as a team. I can't wait to use it outside grilling, and I especially love the blue one because it's the same colour as my old Volkswagen camper van. So that'll be perfect.
It's amazing how far we've come in 2 years. We worked on every detail and overcame many challenges. It's been such a wonderful journey since that first incident with the scorched table. We come to you today to realize a dream. We've already raised money from friends and family, but it takes more. The tools are ready, prototype tested and approved, and now we're ready for manufacturing.